Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're my subscriber, then thank you so much. If you're not yet, you might want to become one because this channel has the brightest reviews and makeup tutorials. And I know you guys love new makeup looks, so please just visit my Instagram page linked down below and enjoy them daily. This video is all about Essence Hello Holo lipsticks. I got two of them in Holo Drama and Holo Sweetness. The packaging is pretty cute, but as you can see right here, it is not very long lasting, so I actually only carried this lipstick in my makeup bag twice. And this is the one I haven't taken anywhere yet. Holo Drama is a cool pink with a blue shift. Holo Sweetness is a periwinkle with a violet blue shift. The package closes pretty well, so it won't open in the makeup bag. So let's wipe this off and go to the swatching. It smells like fruit candy. I think these lipsticks can also be used as lip toppers, so let me try this periwinkle over denim blue. So this is how my base color looks individually. This is Indigo by MAC. You can find the link to its swatch in the description box. And let me now apply the periwinkle holo. Alright, there isn't too much of a difference, but there is some. The color became somewhat lighter. The shade changed very slightly, but the shades were close. And also, I definitely got a metallic finish now, because the base lipstick was matte. I hope you enjoyed the swatches, guys. Let me now comment a couple of words on the formula and on the quality. I do love the feeling on the lips, so the lipstick is very comfortable, it's very hydrating. It feels very, very nice. As for other aspects of the quality, I feel like the lipsticks are not 100% opaque, though they're not sheer either. So they're kind of bright, but not too bright. If you love things like that, I think you will love them. If you love things that are really bright, like I do, these lipsticks might be a little palish for you. I think I might be using them more as lip toppers or on my almost no makeup days. Also, I've already showed you that the packaging is not very enduring, so these holographic writings will erase pretty fast, but the good thing is that the lid closes firmly. Also, the lipsticks in the bullet tend to melt. Right now it is pretty warm in the room, and one of the lipsticks has melted a little. Overall, I think the price and quality ratio is pretty good because these lipsticks are rather cheap and the lipsticks have their minuses, but overall the quality is fairly good. Thank you guys for watching my review, and I will be glad to see you in my next one. Bye bye, loves!